Dear student, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Brindani Vaidya, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department. In this video, I will be teaching you how to measure the quantities under professional practice and valuation. In the previous lecture, we can find out the quantity by long wall short wall method. For today's session, I will be focusing on one room estimation by centerline method. Now in the centerline method, some points you have to take into the consideration, that is, in this method known as the centerline method, sum of the total length of the centerline of the wall, long and short, has to be found out. Find the total length of the centerline of the wall of the same type, long and short, having same for the foundations and footings, and then find the quantities by multiplying the total center length by the respective breadth and height. In this method, the length will remain same for estimation of excavation in foundation, for concrete in foundation, for brickwork in all footings and plinth, and for the superstructure. Here with slight difference when there are the cross walls or number of junctions. This method is quick, but it requires the special attention and consideration at the junctions, meeting points of the partitions or the cross walls. Now here the data that is given, that is, calculate the earthwork in the excavation of the foundation for room of internal size 5 meter by 4 meter with 300 mm thick wall, the width and the depth of the foundation being 900 mm and 900 mm respectively. Here I will take the same example which we had discussed for the long wall short wall method. Now here first of all you have to find out the length of the long wall center to center. So this is the formula for finding out the length of the long wall center to center, that is equal to inner breadth of the room plus half thickness of the wall on the one side plus half thickness of the wall on another side, that is equal to inner length of the room plus one thickness of the wall. Same way, length of the short wall center to center distance, that is equal to inner breadth of the room plus half thickness of the wall on one side plus half thickness of the wall on the another side, that is equal to inner length of the room plus one thickness of the wall. Here this is the room size having 5 meter length and 4 meter breadth. So we have to find out the length of the long wall center to center distance. So here this we can consider as a long wall and perpendicular to this, that is the short wall. But here we can find the quantity by centerline method. Now in this, the length of the long wall center to center distance, that is the inner breadth of the room, that is 5 meter plus half thickness of the wall on the one side, that is 0.15 meter. Here the 30 centimeter thick wall is there, so half the thickness of the wall, that is 0.15 meter plus half thickness of the wall on the another side, that is 0.15 meter. So the total is 5.3 meter. Same way, length of the short wall center to center, so here the breadth, that is 4 meter plus half the thickness of the wall on the one side, that is 0.15 plus half the thickness of the wall on the another side, that is 0.15. So length will be 4.3 meter. Now the total length of the wall, centerline wall, that is equal to 5.3 meter multiplied by 2. Here the two wall having the length 5.3 meter, so we have to multiply it by 2, and same way 4.3 meter wall having two numbers, so 4.3 multiplied by 2 So that equals to 10.6 plus 8.6 equals to 19.2 meter. Here the details of the foundation that is given to you. Now we can find out the quantities of the earthwork, then concreting foundation, for brickwork, in all footing and plinth, and for the superstructure. Now first of all we can find out the quantity of the excavation in foundation. Now details of measurement you have to write down in this type of the measurement sheet. Here the length will be same for all the description of the item. So one number length, here we can find out the total center length, that is 19.2. so 19.2 breadth, here we can find out the excavation. So breadth of the excavation, breadth of the foundation, that is 90 centimeter. So here in breadth we have to write down 0.9 meter. Depth, so in the foundation detail, see the depth of the foundation, that is 30 plus 30 plus 30, so it is 90 centimeter, so 0.9 meter. So quantity will be 19.2 plus 19.2 multiplied by 0.9 multiplied by 0.9, so that comes 15.55 cubic meter. You can compare this answer with the long wall short wall method also. So this will be same. Now second quantity that we have to find out, that is concreting foundation. Same way here the number, that is 1, length will be same for all the quantities, so 19.2 breadth. Now concreting the foundation. So here concreting foundation breadth is 90 centimeter, so 0.9 meter. Depth, here you can see the depth of concrete, that is 30 centimeter, so 0.3 meter. So the quantity is 19.2 multiplied by 0.9 multiplied by 0.3, so it comes 5.184 cubic meter. Now the third quantity that we have to find out, that is brickwork in foundation and plinth. Here for the first footing, see this is the first footing. So for the first footing, the breadth, that is 60 centimeter and the depth is 30 centimeter. So length will be same for all, so 19.2, breadth 0.6, depth is 0.3 meter. So quantity is 19.2 multiplied by 0.6 multiplied by 0.3, so it comes 3.456 cubic meter. Now for the second footing, so for the second footing, if we see, this is our second footing. So for the second footing, the breadth of the item, that is 50 centimeter and the depth is 30 centimeter. So here the length is same 19.2, breadth is 0.5, depth is 0.3. So the quantity is, when we can multiply all this length, breadth and height, we can easily get the quantity, that is 2.88 cubic meter. Now for the third footing. So for the third footing, here this is the third footing. The breadth is 40 centimeter and the depth of this footing, that is 60 centimeter. So here the length will be same 19.2, breadth is 0.4 and the depth is 0.60 meter. So the quantity is 4.608 cubic meter. So the total quantity of the brickwork in the foundation, that is equal to 3.456 plus 2.88 plus 4.608, that is equal to 10.944 cubic meter. Now the last quantity that we have to find out, that is the brickwork in the superstructure. Now for the brickwork in the superstructure, the breadth of the item, that is 30 centimeter and in the superstructure the height we have to consider, that is 3.5 meter. So here the length will be same, that is 19.2, breadth is 0.30 meter and the depth is 3.5. So the quantity is 20.16 cubic meter. So these are the quantities that we have to find by center line method. You can also compare it with the long wall short wall method. The answers will be same, but this is the quick method. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational videos. Thank you.